What if I told you that you could improve your fitness, boost your VO2 max, and feel amazing without exhausting yourself? Sounds like a scam, right? But it's not. It's called slow jogging and it's ridiculously simple. So simple that you can start in the next 5 minutes. Let's go. It's like jogging, only slow. If a power walker overtakes you, you're doing it right. And if a guy with grocery bags texting overtakes you, still good. Why bother? Because it improves your VO2 max. Your body gets better at processing oxygen. It burns fat efficiently. No crazy intensity required for that. It's low impact. It's so much easier on the knees than running. And the best part, it gives you endocannabinoids, which means runner's high. Oh yeah, that's good. Well, here is what you need to know. Posture. Stand tall, look into the distance. Foot strike. Land midfoot. Not on your heel. No stomping. Cadence. Small, quick steps. Light and bouncy. Think sneaking up on someone at a party. Talking test. If you can't carry on a conversation, then you're going too fast. If you don't have anyone to talk to, sing your favorite songs. Rockete, 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 rockete. And smile, and the whole world will smile with you. Professor Tanaka's original title of the book was Run with a Smile. So if you're frowning, ease up. Let's talk about shoes. Some will help, some will ruin your knees. Let's play yes, yes, no. Yes, yes, no. This one will force you to heel strike. Only if you're a mad pro like me. Bottom line, light, flat-soled, flexible shoes are going to help your feet do their job. No need for a mini mattress strapped to your feet. See? Not complicated at all. Let's get you moving. We'll start with a simple routine for anyone just wanting to start out. We're gonna do 1 minute slow jogging and 30 seconds walking. Repeat as many times as it feels good. Let's go. Relax, breathe. Pretend you're on a sightseeing tour of your own neighborhood. Remember to smile. If this feels easy, good. You're doing it right. Okay, and that's just it. You've started slow jogging. If you keep this up, your heart, brain, and knees will thank you. Want more details? I've got a full breakdown in my long form videos, so check them out next. And if you're looking for a step-by-step plan to get fit without wasting hours, I'm working on a course for people who are too smart to fund a gym they will never go to. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day, backed by science and actually doable. My supporters on Buy Me a Coffee are keeping this channel going, and when the course is ready, they'll get it free or almost free, depending on the tier. Link below. Now, go forth and slow jog.